I will talk about how can you figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your Badoo app. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click your own profile down here. When you click your own profile, it's going to take you to next step here or your profile. Then all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Then all you have to do, just click here and personalize your experience, click on it, click here on get started here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then here can you select who can message you if you want to add people I've liked it or everyone here. Then here you just click in this sign. When you select here, click in this sign here, then it's going to take you to this list here. If you want to select, want to show when you're online here. So then when you click in this sign, click here on start sweeping here, then it's going to add with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.